everybody, it's Miss Amber and welcome to our Grundy Library Code Club. Today we're going to be doing an exercise on code.org. So you can go to that website and then scroll down to where it says Learn at Home, and we're going to click on Do an Hour of Code. So last week you were working with Miss Laura on the Minecraft Hour of Code, and that was super fun. This week we're going to be doing AI for Oceans, so you can click on Go, and then you're going to click on Try Now. Alright, great. So there's going to be a short video which teaches you about AI, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So you can watch the video and then hit continue to get to our exercise. Alright, great. So now we're on our second step, and it's telling us that this is our AI, and we're trying to train the AI to know the difference between something that's a fish and something that's a piece of trash that doesn't belong in the ocean. So let's hit continue. And it's telling us that right now AI doesn't know the difference, that we have to do that programming by pushing these buttons down here that say fish or not fish. So you have to look at the images and then program the AI to know whether that's a fish or not a fish. So we're just going to go along here and select whether it's a fish or not. And you just want to make sure you're doing this carefully and taking your time, because if you make a mistake, your AI is going to repeat that mistake. And it's going to give you some interesting facts about the ocean and pollution. So we're just going to keep going here. No, that's not a fish, that's a fish. So once you're ready, you can hit continue. And we're going to check whether the AI is programmed correctly and can tell the difference between these trash objects or a fish. So we're going to hit run, and it's going to analyze some images. Okay, good. So it got rid of the trash. It let the fish through. Uh-oh, it let through a piece of trash. Oh no, it let through another piece of trash. Okay, it's not doing too bad. It's letting most of the fish through, but it's also letting through some of the trash. So I think it can be programmed a little bit better. Let's hit continue and see what happens next. Alright, great. So these are some images that the AI thinks are fish. So as you can see, there's a lot of fish here, but there's also some trash that really doesn't belong in the ocean. So at this point, it's a good time to go back and train the AI some more. But we're going to continue on just to see the next section. Okay, great. So now we're on section 3 of this hour of code. And this section is about training the AI even further so that it knows the difference between a piece of trash or a sea animal. So now we're in the next section, and our AI is looking at objects, but it's only able to tell if something is a fish or not a fish, and it's getting rid of some important sea creatures. So we need to do some more training. So you're going to click continue, and we're going to do some more training with our AI. So now we have to do the training by telling it whether it belongs in the water or not. So you're going to look through and see, yeah, all these sea creatures belong in the water. And it's going to keep giving us those really interesting facts about the ocean and about pollution, so you can read those. And it's telling us the more training we provide, the better our AI is going to do at this job of sorting trash from things that need to be in the ocean. Alright, great. So you guys can keep working and training your AI. I'm going to keep training over here, and I hope you guys have fun, and Miss Laura and I will see you next week. Bye!